Busy Scene Island fam, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Your girl Nellz, and as you can see by the title, it is another Bossa Pot episode. And my child in the background making noise with a balloon. If it bursts, then it bursts because I tell her to bite it. And like her father watching her do, so we're making sure no pieces of balloon go in her throat. But anyway, all you hear anyway noise in the background, it's pancake playing with a balloon. Just say. Anywho, as you all can see from the title, today I am going to make, guess what I'm going to make? Well, let's see in the title. I'm going to make some fried bacon saltfish. I ain't eaten that in so long. Like when I used to live sour, I used to buy fried bacon saltfish every morning for breakfast. So I decided I'm going to make fried bacon saltfish for dinner and show y'all it in my butter pot episode. So I don't know if I'll show y'all me needing the flour simply because it's like a similar thing to need the flour for bread, and I did do bread in my last Friday butter pot episode. So we'll see, but we're going to make some bacon saltfish, right? Okay, right. Okay, bye. Putting the baking powder. My baking powder. No, I don't measure. I just eyeball stuff. That was in the microwave for my hot water. My yeast. Salt. I'm getting the salt. And some sugar. Spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down. Okay. Enough sugar. Ta-da! And we gotta mix it up. Mix up this and then put the butter. Right? Okay. Now for the butter. Butter. Well, there's not butter. There's cooking. If all you know the advertisement I'm talking about. I mean an advertisement. The advertisement or commercial that I'm talking about with the song with cooking. It's from my childhood, but it just stuck in my head now. So here, cooking. So you put in some cooking. Okay, out of cooking all here. That's all the cooking I have. Cooking. That's all. That's all the lard. Why we parents long time used to call it lard though? Is that the name of a butter or shortening? Because I know that's shortening. Is that the name of the shortening long time? Because my mother used to call it lard. But I've never seen any of the packs say lard. So, if you know why my parents used to call it lard, just let me know now. Because I really don't know. My mother used to call it lard. And my grandmother used to call it lard too. I don't know what's lard. Now some Blue Band butter. Or margarine. I think Blue Band is margarine. Is Blue Band margarine or butter? I'll check the pack when I'm done here. But I think it's... Everybody say Blue Band butter. But then again, Trinidadians just call everything butter. So, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So that's enough of that. I'm going to mix that up into the flour like breadcrumbs and then put my hot water and knead. Right. Okay, lovies. So, flour knead all. You see what is putting my flour? I just didn't surely mix in the flour because that don't make no sense. So, the flour knead. Put the oil on top so that it wouldn't get crusty and hard while it's rising. I'm going to rest the bowl in the microwave. No, I'm not going to microwave the flour. It's just that the microwave airtight. Nothing can get in it. So I don't have to put anything over it. So I'm going to rest this in the flour. Let it rise, and I'm going to start cutting up my tomatoes and stuff for my saltfish. Okay, yeah, bye. So now I'm going to put the saltfish in the pot and put it on the stove and let it boil. This is saltfish I get. I don't buy that weird salty looking saltfish. This is easier for me. I'm not about to sit down and clean bony saltfish. This has no bone. So yeah, that's it there. So that's what I'm gonna put in the pot. And now I'm going to boil it to get out all that salt. Okay. Now I'm just gonna cut up my vegetables. Cut up my tomatoes. Cut up my tomatoes. Yes, the tomatoes already washed. I washed them and now I'm cutting them up to put them in my saltfish. Saltfish. Put them in my saltfish. Saltfish. I don't know how to sing everything. I'm a little bit weird, you know. I sing like legitimately everything. I don't know why. A little bit weird, people. Sorry. But there we are. Cutting up some tomatoes for the saltfish. Who don't like tomatoes? Like, for real. I have an aunt don't eat tomatoes at all. This woman really hates tomatoes and I don't know why. You can't even put tomatoes in a salad, put tomatoes on a burger, nothing. Speaking of which, I wonder if she does eat ketchup. Because, like, if you don't like tomato, you shouldn't like ketchup, right? I don't know. I'll have to ask and I'll let you all know if she does eat ketchup or not. But I know she don't like tomatoes. So, yeah. Alrighty, people. So, I have my saltfish all chipped up and ready to go. I have some onions and we call this pimento peppers here. I have my tomatoes here and I have grind seasoning in the fridge that I'm going to add to the pot to fry up everything, and then I'm going to move on to the bake because it's rising in the microwave, remember. So I'm going to put all of this in the pot, combine it, stir it up, make it look good and make it taste good too. The only thing is I don't have hot pepper earlier. Like, pepper would have made this dish real good, but I do have pepper, so I gotta improvise and use what I have, right? So let's get over to the stove and put these things in the pot and then move on to the rest of our bacon saltfish. Okay. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's frying. So we're gonna let her fry this a little bit and then add my tomatoes in the pot. This and get a little cook. Spread all the good juices inside there. Yeah. Okay. Now for the tomatoes. I should have drained all the water from these tomatoes, but hey, use my hand, right? Tomato. And put some zira. Yes, that is for zira. And my saltfish, move on. Some black pepper. Some all pepper. And some grind seasoning. No, I don't measure, I just eyeball everything. Now we're gonna stir it up. We're gonna stir it up. We're gonna stir it up. We're gonna let that cook a little bit. For the tomatoes to like cook and let out the juices and taste good. So yeah, we need that to cook for a little bit. Now we're gonna put the saltfish into the pot we go. Into the pot we go. No, I don't have plenty saltfish. That's what I have. So it might have more tomato than saltfish, but it still has saltfish, right? Okay? It has saltfish. Now we're gonna stir. into the thick of it. Right. See? It's tomatoey, but I don't care. Right? I'm gonna stir up this. And I cook a little bit with the saltfish to get the saltfishy taste. Okay. I'm rolling out my dough for my bake. It's gonna be some big bake because I'm really into making a small bake right now. So big round break. I say break. I meant bake. I meant bake. Flour. Oh, it is so fluffy and nice, huh? It's feeling so fluffy and nice. Oh, bake gonna be so for you. It's gonna be soft. Go and be some soft bake. Oh, they coming over for bacon saltfish? Eh? Eh? I'm selling. It's not free. Need to make some money. Tanty Rona here. So we need to make some money, right? So yeah. I can buy some bacon saltfish. $10. No, $15. No matter go work out the price, just come. Just come. Right? Just come. Alright. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing a voiceover for this part because my neighbors were playing music really loudly and I was hearing it in the footage. So right now I'm just pressing on the dough to, you know, spread out the flour or the whatever, yeah, the dough, to put it in the frying pan to fry. So I'm just spreading this out. I don't use a bail not to roll this out because I feel like it gets too flat and it doesn't rise enough. So that's what I'm doing, just pressing out the dough into a circle, not the best circle in the world, but into a circle nonetheless, to get it into the frying pan to fry. Right? That's what I'm doing. Okay, take a look. Bake is frying. It's gonna puff up. It's gonna puff up. Look again, pot. Again, pot. Again, pot. Okay. So I'll show you this when I flip it and take it out of the pan. Right? So the bake frying right now. It's frying. It's frying. Well, it's looking good. It puff up, it looking good. Oh, it looking good. 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 Right, so I'm gonna put more in the pot now. It's swelling up. 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 And it's just growing. My boots. My boss. Like a big fat belly. He gon' boss. It's looking good, out here. It's looking real good. Oh, there's some bacon. So guys, I had to do another voiceover for this part of the video because rain decided to fall right when I was done making my bacon saltfish. Saltfish, as you can see. So I had to do a voiceover. So this is the finished product, my fried bacon saltfish. Yes, I know it's tomatoey, but I love lots of tomato in my saltfish. So this is it, guys, my bacon saltfish. Okay. Okay, Island Farm. So that was my bacon saltfish. Everybody full in the face. I would have seen it on the camera, but on the other side, dark. So come, look. Sacred than it is. Yeah, so everybody full in the face, eating the bacon saltfish. But Brandon don't eat bacon saltfish, so I did make cheese paste for him to put in his bake because he don't eat saltfish. He does eat bake, but he don't eat saltfish. So yeah, so that's the people. It's fluffy, it's nice, it tastes good, and I need to go and eat. I only taste like one bake so far and eat because I needed to taste it because I cook now. I cook, right? I cook. You can see back there the whole bowl full of bake. Sakura gonna drink stuff after she done eat her bake. So yeah. So that is the video, guys. That is my bacon saltfish. Thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking that big red with that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all of your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans. Come back here every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for another vlog. Comment down below any concerns and questions and anything you want to see next on my Bus Up series. Be sure to take care of your mental health. Self-care is important. Love yourself and enjoy your weekend. So thanks again guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time on the island.